Hey you guys, it's your girl Pretty Girl Stairs. I'll be showing you guys how I water dye 613 hair to gray from Aligrace. Hey you guys, so I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks. So the length of these bundles are 20, 22, 22, and the closure is an 18-inch closure. The hair was very soft. It smelled very good. It smelled fine. It didn't have a funny smell to it at all. The closure was really nice. It was very full. Density in it was good. So the first product I'm going to be showing you guys is the Shimmer Light. So you guys, I actually already added this Shimmer Light shampoo. I added like 2 drops to begin with. And I'm just adding more water. And then I think I'll go back in and add a little bit more. No, I don't actually. I'm lying. So I should have just added a little bit more because I ended up doing this process twice. So I'm just soaking it in, spreading it out, make sure everything's even, make sure everything's getting saturated. So alright, so I'm just putting it in there 3 more times because it still had yellow tint in it. Just making sure I get it in there nice and good. Nice and good. You want to make sure all the product is like spread out. You want to make sure that there's no clumps. So I'm just putting it in there, soaking it, soaking it, soaking it. Soaking it, soaking it. And I'm gonna leave it in there for about 3 minutes, you guys. Left it in there for about 3 minutes. And this is what it was looking like. Got it to like this ash brown looking color. So pretty. So now I'm just gonna go back in with some boiling hot water. Boiling hot water, you guys. I don't know why, you guys, I had the bin on top of the garbage. Like, look, it's gonna keep sliding. Oh my god, if that thing had fell, oh my god, yeah, I don't know what I would have done. I don't know what I would have done. Like, all right, I got it, we good. So I just added more water, more hot water, more hot water, more fun. Nah. So now I'm taking the Platinum Adore, and I did 3 squeezes in there because I wasn't sure. So the reason why I did the Adore first, and I also have the Blue Black and Adore. The reason why I did the Adore Platinum first because I wanted the hair to have like tints of highlights in it. I wanted it to have different shades of gray in it. I just didn't want it to be one solid gray color, but I wanted to have that blue tint to it as well. So I just added more because I feel like it was too light. And you guys got to make sure that you take your time and beat out all the dye. Like, make sure it's like no clumps in there at all. Make sure there's no clumps at all. So you guys, now I'm just gonna add the hair. I'm just gonna add the hair in there, soak it in there. So I decided to add a little bit more of the Adore Platinum because it just wasn't showing the way I wanted it to show. Like, it was very light. The hair was pretty much still blonde. It was like little patches of gray in it. You guys, I don't think I told you guys, this is the first time me ever water dyeing hair. This is my first time ever. It's crazy. So I'm just adding more. So when I added more of the platinum in there, I only put the closure and one bundle in there. And I let it sit in there for about 2 minutes. So that's when I'm going to put up my fingers, like 2 minutes. See? And then this is how it was looking when I took it out. You can see from here, it's like a really light gray looking color. Pretty, but not the color I want. So now we got fresh hot water, new batch for the blue black Adore. That's color 130 blue black. So I think I just added about three drops. Yes, 3 drops. And then I mix it around town, mix it around. That was so much easier to dissolve in the hot water. I don't know why it was so quick. So I'm just testing the color on a piece of the hair because I was so afraid, you guys. I was like, oh my god, I don't want this thing to turn black. So I actually got the idea of the blue black from, I believe it's Slaybyjordan or something like that. I'll put his thing in my bio. He did this frosty gray looking color and I loved it. It was so pretty. I was like, oh my gosh, I think my friend would really love a frosty gray looking color. So I decided to do it. I was like, let me just do it. So yeah, you guys, that's where I got the idea. So now I'm just adding a little bit more of the blue black. I just added one more squirt in there. I was so afraid. I didn't want to add too much. I was looking at the water like, oh my god, this looks really dark. But may God be with me. Because some of the reason why I added more is because some strands were still like really blonde. So I was just dipping it in there another time. Another round. Doing them over so that everything just gets nice and soaked and everything is just that nice, pretty, frosty gray color. So we're done with that. After that, you guys, I just went in with some cold water. Went in with some cold water and I just rinsed it out. I just rinsed out whatever dye is still on it, whatever Shimmer Light shampoo is still on it. I'm just rinsing it out. I did not add any shampoo. I repeat, I did not add any shampoo to it. I'm just rinsing it right now with cold water. That's all I'm doing. So for the conditioner, I'll be using Suave conditioner. I believe that's the Shea Butter conditioner. Use any conditioner that you guys love. Don't be using y'all Good Up conditioner on no weave either, because I know y'all love to use y'all Good Up conditioners. Use y'all cheap little conditioners on these weaves, because they still gonna do the job. Look at it, nice. Ooh, baby. So now I'm just gonna brush through the hair. You guys want to make sure you brush through the hair. Make sure you detangle it, because the hair just went through a lot. Just make sure you take your time, be gentle. I know it might look like I'm being rough, but I'm not. It's because the video is a little fast, so it looks like I'm like moving fast and being super rough, but I'm not. But look how nicely the hair is, you guys. Once like I brush it out. Oh, how can I forget, you guys? While I was washing the hair and stuff, I got little to no shedding. Local to no shedding, literally little to no shedding. I was like, oh my god, this is really good hair. Like, I was really surprised. So now, you guys, I'm just gonna start washing out the hair with cold water. Very cold water. Like, as I'm washing out the conditioner, it's with cold water. Always cold water. Always. Because the cold water actually helps keep the color in, since it's not a permanent dye. So make sure y'all take y'all time while you guys are washing out the hair. Wash it out nice. Make sure you get all that conditioner out of there. Look how pretty it is, you guys. Overall, you guys, this process was pretty fun. Water dyeing is fun. This is the finished results, though. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Tell me if you guys love it. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Mwah.